Hello everyone, welcome to the trend part of the course where I'm going to be teaching you how to trade trends and trending markets and how to identify a trend. So before we start, I just want to draw a little picture and show you exactly the three ways a market can trade. So it can go up, so what we would call is an uptrend. What an uptrend is, it's a point where the market is getting higher highs and higher lows. So you can see the highs are getting higher, and you can see the lows are getting higher. Yep, so that was what we would class as an uptrend. Also, what would be conceived as a downtrend is exactly the opposite. So you can see that the market is getting lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, but like walking downstairs. Okay, and we also have a ranging market. It's where the market goes completely sideways. So you could have a market that's just literally between two zones going completely sideways. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you on this British pound US dollar chart, the three types of trend. So at the moment, you can see British pound, we've got an uptrend where we're actually creating higher highs, and our swing lows are actually getting higher as well. So we would perceive this as a bit of an upwards trending market. You can see there we've took a little bounce into phase one as well. So if this was to make a new high, we would say that this market is still in a nice upwards trend. Okay, I'm just going to show you what a downwards trend would be. So before we do that, I'm going to show you what a ranging market is. So here in this section, you can see that we've got the ranging market, where the market is just going sideways between 2 points of price, and it's not actually trending in a direction. So you've got higher highs, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows all over the place. Yes, there's no consistency to the movement of the market. And then we've also got what we perceive as the downtrend. So let me just delete these counter lines. And there you go. There would be perceived as our downtrend. Yep. So you can see that the market is actually taking lower lows and lower highs. So what that is, guys, that is the three trends of the market. And I'm just going to show you a little diagram to show you how markets move. Markets don't just go up and turn around on a sixpence. What they actually do is a market will go up, it will transition and continue, or a market will go up, transition and reverse, and vice versa with the opposite. This transition is what we would class as the ranging market. So in a downtrend, the downtrend would transition and then continue, or if it didn't continue, it would reverse. So this is what we would see as the ranging section. So just be aware, a market will always have three parts to it. It will have an upwards trend, a downwards trend, and a ranging position.